Hello everyone, this is Juan with King Credit, giving return the first 30 days. I hope everyone is having a blessed weekend and Friday. It's a great day to fix your credit. Remember, every time that you make a payment, you do Cash App or whatever type of payment you're making to my company, just make sure that you always call. And we'll make sure that we got the payment, we'll give you a receipt, we give everything in general. Give a result in the first 30 days, man. Fix your credit. Fix your credit. When a person tell you if within 30 days nothing changed, nothing get deleted, you get a full refund of your money back, you can't beat that, man. You can't beat that. Okay? So fix your credit. Today is the day that you can fix your credit and change your life and start worrying about a lot of stuff in general. It doesn't really matter what you have in your credit. Judgment, tax lien, eviction, bankruptcy, student loan, you name it, repo, I could get it off. It won't really matter. The first thing that I have to see is your credit with Experian. Once I see your credit, we're going to start calling you and give you an estimate. We'll give 20% off to any new clients. You'll start seeing result in the first 30 days. If nothing changed, nothing happened in the first 30 days, you'll get a full refund of your money back. Everything that I do is going to be on contract. We'll get everything notarized so you can protect yourself and we can protect our company too. Remember, the King Credit Repair will give a result in the first 30 days. Fix your credit today, change your life, start a new future. Remember that you could have a long history with any bank, credit card that you have on file. But let's say if you have a credit card, it has been open for, let's say, 20 years. And within 20 years, you have 3 late payments in those 20 years, and then you pay off the card. We have to get that account deleted, right? Because one late payment of 30 days could cost you up to 140 points on your credit, because 35% of credit calculation is based how you make good payment on time. If I see 3 payment on account, I'm telling you, we're going to get that account deleted and you're going to see your credit boost up real fast. Fix your credit. King Credit Repair will give you a result in the first 30 days. 321-438-3028.